When did you start going back to work?
So at 6 weeks, when Ehan was 6 weeks, I did a commercial first time.
Like I said, a trendsetter. I think this has to be like, ये तो मैं बार-बार line बीच में बोल रही हूँ.
Because after 2 years of my marriage, my father-in-law passed away. So I told Umar that I don't want my kids to grow up where कोई भी ना हो, grandparents ही ना हो. Because I did not get that love. So मुझे लगता है activities, opportunities ज़्यादा हैं क्योंकि अब बहुत सारे day cares नहीं, play houses खुल गए हैं. So if I want to do a play date with my friend's kid, I take them there. वहाँ एक पूरा माहौल है बच्चों के लिए, वहाँ वो खेल सकते हैं for an hour.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zara Noor Abbas Siddiqui and I welcome you all to another beautiful episode of Can Baby Presents What Mom Sends. So this person who's sitting next to me is a brilliant dancer. We've all seen that on Instagram. But more on that, I think she's a trendsetter mom. क्योंकि जब मैं pregnant थी, she's one of the first people I told. I had no support groups, इसलिए मुझे उनको बताना पड़ा. क्योंकि ये इतनी cool लग रही थी अपने Instagram पे और pictures में कि मुझे लगा ऐसी वाली अम्मा मुझे बनना है. So please welcome the most beautiful Sira Asghar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. कैसी हैं आप?
ठीक ठाक. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so much for coming to the show. आपको ज़्यादा रियल लाइफ में मिलके मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप असल में भी उतनी ही cool हैं जितनी मुझे लगा था कि आप Instagram पे हैं.
And we look alike today.
Yes,
so
we do.
it's good.
It's good. It's great. But Sira, मुझे समझ नहीं आई. I saw your posts on Instagram. You were in the gym when you were pregnant. You were in the gym after the baby came out.
Yes.
So जब after the baby came out, how were you at the gym? Like you had the support to leave the baby at home?
Sometimes I used to take Ehan with me. और वो easy रहता था because वो छोटा था ना, जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं उनके साथ काम करना.
You would take the baby to the gym?
Yes.
So like I said, trendsetter. How?
Just in a carry cot, I used to take him.
और वो सोता रहता था?
वो सोता नहीं रहता था. I mean, he used to get up and then I used to, because he was on top feet, so I used to give him milk there. And then वो शोर में सोता था. So उसको आदत शोर में सोने की थी. So वो जिम में अगर गाने भी लगे होते थे ना, so he used to sleep. Yes.
Okay. Did you train him like that या वो ऐसे?
I think we trained him like that because we wanted कि शोर हो और वो सोता रहे. Because what if we go to a party and he's not sleeping because खामोशी नहीं है. So we wanted कि भाई शोर हो और सो जाए वो.
अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप ये जितनी भी कोशिश करें बट बच्चे को खामोशी ही चाहिए होती है. बट आई थिंक इन योर केस इट वर्कड आउट.
He watches he needs to listen to something when he's sleeping अभी तक.
Wow.
Because that's what Umar is like. उमर भी कुछ देखते देखते ही सोएगा.
नूरे जहाँ पंखे की आवाज भी सोती है because I remember कल लाइट चली गई थी तो वो उठ गई थी.
Oh, that's soothing for them.
Yeah.
That's white noise.
White noise is so. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God. Yeah, because I think that's the noise that they hear in the womb.
Yes.
Right?
So that's very soothing.
So tell me, Sira, 2 years now, mashallah.
Yes.
Ehan is going to be 2 years.
Yes.
How do you feel? Like how motherhood is, mashallah, treating you well as it looks like.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
So stress. How do I deal?
How do you feel? Like internally, like on the real level?
Internally, अगर मैं सच बोलूँ, I'm so drained out in life because internally you're all, after being a mother, you're so drained out.
I swear.
कभी-कभी कल, because I went to an event which was very far and उससे पहले we couldn't sleep पूरी रात because एहान कभी 2 दफा उठ जाता है रात में because he wants milk and something like that.
Yeah.
So कल ऐसा लग रहा था कि रात में जब हम लेटे हुए थे, उमर को मैंने बोला what was this day like? He's like बस हो गया, समझ नहीं आया हमारी जिंदगी में क्या हुआ है because we don't have sleep. We have to still do work. We have to look after Ehan and it's crazy.
Do you have a nanny?
I have house help from 10 to 7 and it is very important. We did not have it till Ehan was 7 months. So वो 7 महीने हमारे लिए मुश्किल थे.
Oh God.
So my सास left for Punjab when Ehan was 5 months old. So वो जो 2 महीने उमर और मैं थे ना, it was insane. It was insane.
Well, glad that you guys are still married because it's crazy to be with
working
a
also.
toddler.
So I was doing a project. So what I used to do is,
when did you start going back to work?
So at 6 weeks, when Ehan was 6 weeks, I did a commercial first time.
Like I said, a trendsetter. I think this has to be like, ये तो मैं बार-बार line बीच में बोल रही हूँ. 6 weeks?
So my 40 days were not over yet.
And you were doing a commercial?
Yeah.
Wow,
because
mashallah.
I think I needed that. My heart wanted that. To feel myself again for a change. So उसके बाद after a month I started working. So क्या होता था कि उसे हमने cot की आदत डाली हुई थी, carry cot की, car seat की. So he used to be in car seat at the back. So I used to drop Ehan to Nani's house, my mother's house.
Okay.
And then go to work. और उमर वापसी में ऑफिस के used to pick Ehan up and go back to house. तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत draining था.
So I think अब ये जो नई एक चीज है modern parenting, इसमें ये बहुत फायदा हो गया that both partners really help each other, right?
And they have to work hard.
Have to work hard, of course, but they
it's not
also
worth
help
it.
each other because
Yes.
One of the partners can be working hard also, but be like मैं घर आ गया हूँ या आ गई हूँ, I don't want to deal with the kid.
I think one thing people don't talk about is कि every woman is different. शादी में ना हर कोई बंदा like अलग होता है. मुझसे रात में नहीं जागा जाता था. And if I stay up at night, it will be a nightmare in the morning for everyone in the house. Because my body cannot function.
Oh, God.
Internally, my body cannot. So there used to be like time when Umar used to be up all night for Ehan.
Very good,
See?
very good.
So वो पूरी रात जागता था, 7 बजे मुझे उठाता था. And then he used
जब
to
आप
sleep.
उठो और
Yes, and he used to sleep for 2 hours. He used to go to office.
Oh,
He used to come back and
God.
sleep, and I used to wake him up at 12, and then he used to do his night duty. So I think
there's going to be a
can't-
separate fan base for Umar after this interview.
Oh my God, because I can't stay up.
That
at
is
night.
brilliant.
My body can't.
That's brilliant that both parents are taking responsibility.
Yes, and
of it.
it's okay if you're not feeling fine.
Did you have any, exactly, not feeling fine, did you have
Yes.
any postpartum blues?
I did. So when Ehan was born, as a mother, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता होती, right?
हाँ.
So
New mom है ना?
I packed my mom bag for hospital. I packed Ehan's bag. I packed Umar's bag with his snacks. Okay.
अच्छा.
So according to me, मैंने सब पैक किया था और सब गाड़ी में था. So जब Ehan पैदा हुआ, I thought as a mother, I will produce milk because
Yeah.
that's how human body works,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
So 3 a.m. रात का वक्त था, and Ehan was born at 11, and he wasn't hungry that time.
और आप लोग हॉस्पिटल में थे?
मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी, मेरी सास मेरे साथ थी, and Umar went back home to sleep because वो बेचारा पूरे दिन का नहीं सोया हुआ था.
Of course.
So, and my kid got hungry, and I was trying to nurse him, and the milk was not coming, and I did not know this. So मैंने सब पैक किया होता, except for the feeder, except for the powdered milk, because I thought toffee की तो जरूरत ही नहीं होगी.
क्योंकि I will be the milk machine.
Yes.
Oh
And
God.
I was not producing, and it was a nightmare.
So
And
this also happens because every woman is
Is
different.
different.
Every body is different.
and then I felt bad about myself.
Guilty feel हुआ
Yes,
आपको?
and then फिर हमने कुछ भी करके उमर को उठाया कि भाई उसकी फीडर की
उसकी feeder की bottle लाओ।
वैसे तो हॉस्पिटल वालों ने हमें फीडर कोई मंगा के दिया, and then they sent us the milk and stuff like that. But then I had a lot of pressure to nurse Ehan, because everyone was just asking if he's on
Bottle feed or
top
like
feed
mother, yeah.
or mother feed. And I felt so bad, and I kept hearing these nuskas and totkas, and then I told him it's my body and I cannot make my child suffer like that.
And
if
how-
I am not producing, it's okay. You know, everyone is different. ये नहीं होगा कि if he's on top feed, I do not love him. I will still
Of
love my
course.
child, and he will love me. And लोग कहते हैं ना वो connection होता है when you're just breastfeeding your child. You have that connection with the child. You will have it anyway. But if you're not producing, it's okay.
How did Umar deal with this line when you said, this is my body and I know what I...
And he said, okay. He's like, okay. And then no podcast came out of that.
That's brilliant. That is
And
brilliant.
no podcast came out of that. And then I decided it's my body and I cannot think bad about my child, right?
Of course.
मैं अपने औलाद के लिए कोई माँ बुरा नहीं सोच सकती.
But अगर एक चीज naturally नहीं हो रही है
Yes,
तो
so
इसमें
I
pressure
can't
लेकर
help it.
अपने आप को पागल करने की जरूरत
Yes.
नहीं है.
और मैं क्यों mentally stressed? And for 40 days, I told Umar, I don't want visitors.
No visitors.
No visitors.
Oh wow.
Because you hate everybody.
Yeah?
Even they want something nice for you, you hate everything in life. अगर बेड पे कोई तकिया ऐसे भी रखा होगा ना, I will hate it after postpartum.
So you were that person कि क्या है? Okay.
Yeah.
But
so,
I'm glad that mashallah, from the looks of it and how you've taken up the journey, Sarah, नहीं लगता that you've also had these sorts
yes.
of...
So 40 days का एक वो हमारा ट्रेंड है ना कि आप अपनी माँ के घर जाते हो, वो आपका ख्याल रखती है. So I did not go to my mom's house. So I used to visit her on and off. So जब मैं जाती थी ना तो जब लोग देखने आते थे जैसे वहाँ पे एहान को, so I had to hide his feeder because everyone would ask that you're on top feed and that you're not doing enough. So I think this is the issue moms still face.
हाँ, this is very mean.
Yeah, and this is off, and I feel why it's okay. So what? You won't be a bad mother, but हम वो पुरानी सोच लोगों में से नहीं हटा सकते।
नहीं हटा सकते। और पेरेंटिंग में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेरेंटिंग में होना चाहिए माँ के लिए स्पेसिफिकली कि लोगों को उसको वो कर ले एक्सपेरिमेंट अपने बच्चे के साथ, गलत खाना खिला दे, ना ज्यादा नमक खिला दे, चीनी खिला दे, वो खुद फिगर आउट कर लेगी कि मेरे से ये गलत हो गया।
And if she needs help, she will ask you.
She will ask you.
If
Yeah.
she's not asking for help, be quiet.
Yeah.
Don't say a word.
Sira, I want to I know that everybody knows also, but I want to tell my friends online right now that you come from a household where your mother was a single parent.
Yes.
And she brought you up
Yes.
with so much strength.
Yes.
And your father passed away really early on in
Yes.
life. How did that impact your relationship with Ehan? Because you haven't really seen like a father-mother parenting bond.
Yes. So it did not affect me much because I think अगर आप मियाँ बीवी होते हैं तो आपकी लड़ाइयाँ ज़्यादा होती हैं. So I did not see that. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मियाँ बीवी लड़ते हैं. हमने मूवीज में देखा है ना,
Yeah.
हमने असल में नहीं देखा. आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया मैंने वो सब कि आप लड़ रहे हैं या कोई चीज है या कोई बहुत ही मियाँ बीवी की इस बात पे लड़ाई होती है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं.
ऐसा कोई ट्रॉमा है ही नहीं.
तो ट्रॉमा नहीं है. सो आई जस्ट गॉट मैरिड और जब हम फजूल में लड़ाई भी करते थे तो हमारी बस फजूल चीज़ों पे लड़ाई करते थे, लाइक ओवर टाइम यू आर फाइटिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट ग्रोइंग अप मुझे ऐसी चीज़ों ने अफेक्ट नहीं किया कि एक्चुअली कि फादर नहीं है तो वो चीज़ आपको कमी महसूस हुई होगी. आई थिंक नहीं हुई बिकॉज आई हैड 3 brothers.
Yeah.
So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लड़ाइयाँ हमने क्या देखी हैं.
And one of your brothers, Asif, who you're very connected with.
Yes, still this day. Yes.
Does he have
If
kids?
I do any mistake, no, he's not married. If I do
अच्छा.
any mistake, he will scold me till now. कि
Okay.
तुम ये क्या किया तुमने? And he is so connected with Ehan. So he,
that's so
in
sweet.
family, every child used to be scared of Asif bhai.
अच्छा.
And he is the only person, Ehan grew up in his room.
Oh.
So I used to leave Ehan to Mama's house for work. और वो सिर्फ आसिफ भाई के रूम में होता था and he used to be in bouncer and Asif used to just bounce him all day.
That's so
So
sweet.
that's how connected they are.
तो कोई गिल्ट
No.
कि मैं काम पे जा रही हूँ एहान को छोड़ के मामू के पास, अम्मी के पास? What about that?
No, I did not have this guilt because reason why मुझे बच्चा जल्दी पैदा करना था because I told Umar that because after 2 years of my marriage, my father-in-law passed away. So I told Umar that I don't want my kids to grow up where कोई भी ना हो, grandparents ही ना हो, because I did not get that love. ना नानी थी ना दादी थी, तो हमें पता ही नहीं था नानी दादी वाला प्यार क्या होता है. So I'm enjoying कि एहान को वो प्यार मिलता है. मतलब मेरी जो अम्मी है वो नीचे बैठ जाएंगी.
Yeah.
Like वो कभी हमारे लिए नहीं बैठी होंगी and she will listen to Ehan. She's अच्छा तुम्हें जो करना है तुम
क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि सूद पता नहीं किससे ज्यादा प्यारा सूद होता है. Yeah, my father always says that.
So I think I'm enjoying that phase and मुझे नहीं पता वो कब तक it will last, you know. जिंदगी कितनी ज्यादा है.
अल्लाह मियां आपके घर वालों को लंबी उम्र दे इंशाल्लाह.
Enjoy नानी, दादी, मामू, खालाएं. So no.
It's a very beautiful and different thought process that you want your child to have the family that is required for upbringing.
It's very important. I think before schooling, the kid wants that love.
Yeah. You know what? I was reading up online. There's this page on YouTube. It's called Dad Saves America.
Yes.
And he was talking to a therapist and he was telling, the therapist was telling actually, that children in the West are having a lot of attachment trauma and attachment issues. And that is because first से 3 years में उनको parenting और family इतनी मिलती ही नहीं है, जिस वजह से बच्चों को attachment issues शुरू हो गए हैं. लोग अपने बच्चों को nurseries में और day cares में छोड़ के जा रहे हैं.
Because they don't have any other options आ रहा.
Yeah.
बाहर because आप 18 साल के होते हैं हम घर से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. You don't have connection with your parents.
Yeah.
And then after you have a kid, parents का honeymoon period तब start होता है because they worked all their life. वो घर की चीजें पे कर होते हैं, गाड़ी की चीजें. तो बाहर तो उनके जब बच्चों की शादी होती है तब वो आजाद होते हैं माँ बाप. और तब वो घूमने जाते हैं. So they don't want this responsibility. वो connection नहीं होती. बाहर के मुल्क में तो नहीं है. और मुझे लगता है अब भी ज्यादा कम हो रही है here. So अब पाकिस्तान में भी वो चीज़ आ गई है, मॉडर्न वेस्टर्न चीज़ आ गई है कि हम अलग रहते हैं. अच्छी बात है आप अलग रहें, बट आई थिंक वो कनेक्टिविटी रखनी चाहिए अपने
Absolutely. Islamically भी आपके पास woman has a right to have her own house.
But you still need to keep connectivity with your child and your grandparents. That's
Absolutely.
very important.
I think वो तो dynamic बहुत अच्छा है South Asian. A lot of like it also happens in Japan. वहाँ पे भी इस चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा है कि वो family values का बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. अच्छा सिरा, how do you set boundaries?
In what sense? Like TV time or what kind of a boundary?
How do you set boundaries for yourself? Like when you need understand कि अब यहाँ पर सिरा as a mom needs to step out of the room, and Sira as a human being and as a woman needs to shine out, and अब मुझे अपना time चाहिए.
Set boundaries तो मुझे लगता है वो रोज ही करते हैं हम लोग. So for me, if I want me time, I will go to gym. That's my me time.
Okay.
And I need that in life. So that's my me time. वो मैंने कर लिया. And a good cup of coffee is a me time that I have to in the day. Yes. So वो सुकून होता है ना
That's so
आपको.
sweet. एक औरत को सिर्फ एक अच्छी cup of coffee चाहिए.
No, but I've gone crazy this year.
What?
I want to travel more. And my husband...
You guys just went to Malaysia? No.
No, we went... So,
Mauritius.
let me start. हम साल के शुरू में थाईलैंड में थे.
Okay.
Then we went to Mauritius. Then we went to Skardu. And then I'm still after Umar to go somewhere.
Oh, yeah, that's so good. So you earn and then you guys go and travel.
And then we're so addictive because Ehan is so connected to Nani and Mamu. तो हम उसे छोड़ के जाते हैं. And जब हम वापस आते हैं ना उसे लेने के लिए, he does not want to come back home. Because उसकी वहाँ कोई boundaries नहीं है ना.
Of course, वहाँ पे तो वो king है, उसकी तो हर बात.
So for me, boundaries traveling. I think I set boundaries because now I want to travel and just sleep. हम स्कर्दू गए, हम सो रहे थे. हम टर्की गए, हम ब्रेकफास्ट करते थे, हम सोते थे. And that's what traveling
is actually a vacation for parents to just sleep without any.
And I'm so blessed that my mother keeps my child and he's happy there. And we're getting our me time. जो मुझे लगता है पहले ज़माने में नहीं मिलता था आपको. But पहले बच्चे ऐसे नहीं होते थे ज़्यादा. That's what my sass tells me.
Yeah.
She's like पहले बच्चों को हम नहलाते थे, उनके मुंह पे कपड़ा रखते थे, वो सो जाते थे. We have to create a माहौल for our kids.
Yes.
Music.
Yes. Yes.
A room, air conditioning, and then they will sleep.
Yeah. Do you think that's very rural or suburban, or या ये सब सही है जो हम कर रहे हैं बच्चों की जब
सही है because with generation you have to adopt different styles.
Yeah. क्योंकि वक्त के साथ साथ आपको भी तो बदलना है ना.
अभी स्क्रीन टाइम इसलिए ज़्यादा है क्योंकि एक्टिविटीज़ हमें लगता है अभी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. जस्ट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सो मुझे लगता है एक्टिविटीज़ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ज़्यादा हैं क्योंकि अब बहुत सारे डे केयर्स नहीं, प्ले हाउसेस खुल गए. So if I want to do a play date with my friend's kid, I take them there. वहाँ एक पूरा माहौल है बच्चों के लिए, वहाँ वो खेल सकते हैं for an hour.
But फिर भी जंगल या कोई फॉरेस्ट एरिया या खुली फिजा तो नहीं है ना.
नहीं है, but I think then you travel with kids. अब पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के साथ ट्रैवल ज़्यादा करते हैं.
हाँ, चाहे वो वैसे करते हैं.
लाहौर. I traveled with Ehan to Mauritius.
Okay.
Though it was
a task and a half, but
oh boy,
but it was great.
It was good for him.
Yeah.
He saw all these animals there and he enjoyed because he was meeting Omar's family for the first time.
Okay.
So he was meeting all of his tayas for the first time.
Oh, so that he was exposed to a lot.
A lot.
Did his
we went to 20 people every day.
Did his oh wow.
So it was good.
That's a lot of exposure.
Yes.
So did his behavior change when he came back?
No.
Cranky, happy?
No, he was just the same. He's very, as a child, he's very friendly. वो बच्चों का nature अलग होता है. If he was here, he would be giving kisses to everyone on set.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, so he's that friendly.
We miss you, Ehan. We want kisses. But do you think that children nowadays are more frustrated because उनको बहुत screen time मिलता है, बहुत गुस्सा उनको इसलिए आता है क्योंकि अब Gen Alpha और Gen Z तो अभी हम आप Gen Z हो नहीं
I'm not Gen Z
मैं भी नहीं हूँ but जो Gen Alpha है और उसके बाद पता नहीं Gen
whatever आएंगे
Q जो भी आएगी वो सब जो है उनमें एक नए तरीके का मूड है.
मुझे लगता है
हर बात के लिए उनको लॉजिक चाहिए, हर बात का जवाब चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? कभी-कभी सुन भी लिया करें क्या करना है.
That's what society has created for them ना. It's इतना ज़्यादा exposure है. आप अब अगर कुछ साल में अगर मैं एहान को फोन दूंगी मुझे अंदर से गिल्ट फील नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो सोसाइटी ने हमारे अंदर एक चीज डाल दी है that it's common and it's not bad.
Is it okay? It is okay.
I think it is okay.
हाँ.
Also and it is not okay also.
Yeah. But वही बात है ना कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है और आप कितना कुछ ही कर लेंगे.
हम कंट्रोल ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते. You need to give your child phone because security issues.
Yeah.
उसके बगैर आप हमेशा टेंशन में रहोगे कि मेरा बच्चा कहाँ है या क्या नहीं है. सो आई थिंक बैलेंस होना चाहिए. एहान का स्क्रीन टाइम है बट वो खुद बोर हो जाता है. एक बच्चा कब तक टीवी देखेगा? ही गेट्स बोर्ड, ही गोज टू हिज जंपिंग कास्टल जो उसके रूम में है. वो उसमें जंप करेगा, हमारे कमरे में लेके जाएगा, वो ब्लॉक्स बिखेर देगा एंड ही स्टार्टेड लर्निंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम टीवी बेसिकली. उसे कलर्स पता है खुद ही.
वेरी नाइस.
ही सेज ब्लू, ही सेज पिंक.
So you think कि TV बच्चों को दिखाना is not really that bad?
Not bad if you're actually It's not that bad actually अगर आप सही content दिखा रहे हैं.
सही content. So सही content पे ज़्यादा जोर है.
But he does not watch TikTok, of course. He watches all cartoons and
Yeah.
stuff. So that
Obviously,
is fine.
TikTok and all of these
And
things.
Zara, he has his time. मेरी house help के साथ ही 5 बजे रोज शाम में छत पे जाता है. He takes a lot of food for कौवे.
Aww.
And वो हाथ से देता है. मतलब he just stands there और वो उसका me time है.
That's very nice.
And he comes and tells me, Mama, tea gummy. He says gummy to food.
Okay.
He's like, tea gummy.
कि गमी मैंने
एक दफा उसने दूसरी छत पे देख लिया कोई मुर्गी थी and he came back and he said कुकू and like so it's his me time. He has set time for himself.
That's
So
very
उसका
nice.
अपना एक- and he knows when Umar comes back he needs to jump and play with Umar.
अच्छा, so his relationship with Umar
Yes,
is also
is more
How's
crazy.
Umar as a father?
He's amazing as a father and he has been more crazy with Ehan क्योंकि मैं Ehan के साथ बहुत crazy हरकतें नहीं करती.
नहीं
इसको
करती.
इधर गिराना उधर गिराना.
हाँ, that's all
Umar does all
fathers.
of these things.
Flying carpet बना दिया बच्चे का.
It's exactly
Yeah, Asad
the
does
same
that to
thing.
Nurjan also.
Oh, so yeah, he's more connected with it.
Asha, Asad, I'm going to talk about your acting career. After you have given birth to this amazing, beautiful baby, what do you think, how motherhood has impacted your craft?
I think not much because craft हमेशा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. I think the industry we work in, sometimes you get good roles, sometimes you get bad roles, and it's still the same.
No, but
Nothing has
like
changed.
craft-wise, do you think that you have become more sensitive to things, or you've become
I think more patient.
more patient?
Yeah.
That's
मुझ
what
में पहले
motherhood
नहीं
teaches
था.
you. Patience.
But अब I like चलो अब क्या ही हो सकता है. That's the thing. अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि अच्छा अब कितना ही बुरा होगा.
Yeah.
इससे और क्या बुरा होगा. बस
Yeah.
हो गया अब क्या करूँ.
So that's one thing that keeps you going.
Yeah, that keeps me going.
And that has what motherhood has taught you.
Yes, patience. अब कितना ही बुरा होगा जिंदगी में. And that's what Umar had taught me. He's like, don't stress in life. कि जिंदगी में क्या ही बुरा होगा ना. मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या max हो सकता है.
If you have to like eliminate one thing from the industry,
हाँ,
our industry.
working time.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah, please, 8
Yeah.
hours is enough.
But
I don't want
I
to work
know.
10 to 10.
Yeah.
No, I don't feel like.
Because you want to go home to your child and also relax, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think mainly that.
And
बाकी
you have
it's
no
fine.
other issues.
I mean, issues तो हर बहुत सारे हैं.
Yeah.
मतलब किसको हम address करेंगे?
Yeah. But I'm happy that you take everything so positively and so humbly, क्योंकि ये भी एक different perspective है हर चीज़ का.
I think maybe because that's what my mother taught me. My mother taught me be happy with what you have. Be happy with yourself. क्योंकि जब आप खुद से खुश नहीं होंगे, आप दूसरों से खुश नहीं होंगे.
Yeah.
So my mother said, look at yourself. You're so perfect. मतलब
माशाल्लाह.
नाक ऐसी है तो खूबसूरत अल्लाह ने किसी वजह से बनाई होगी. मतलब people can't criticize and they should not have the right to criticize.
Are you competitive?
I am competitive.
So being competitive and then thinking for another human being, Ehan, how do you go back to work?
Because I think whatever I'm doing for him and for his future. So when he grows up, he will understand कि मैं ये सब क्यों कर रही हूँ. And for children, they need to know कि lifestyle क्या होता है माँ बाप का. कि अम्मा अब्बा को काम पे जाना जरूरी है.
हाँ.
They don't have to stay home for them.
Yeah.
I mean, there should be a balance. I know हम बहुत overwhelmed हो जाते हैं कि यार हमें सब कुछ अपने बच्चे के लिए करना है और टाइम भी सारा सब कुछ छोड़ के. But then you're gonna regret that later on.
Yeah, क्योंकि जब
क्योंकि
बच्चे
आपकी ये
बड़े हो
उम्र निकल
जाएंगे.
जाएगी.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
mother said one thing to me. She's like, you guys are so young और तुम लोग इतना भाग दौड़ कर रहे हो सिर्फ अपने बच्चे के लिए. Then just, you know, do something with that money or do something for him कि जब वो बड़ा हो, it will benefit him. So this is your age to actually work. They grow
That is
up.
such a good thought that you need to understand कि आप अपने लिए भी कुछ वक्त
Yeah.
निकालें और अपने आप को भी satisfy करें.
It's just doing makeup for you is a therapy, then just do it every day.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Well, doing makeup for me is like a nightmare.
Or just lying down for 10 minutes is doing everything.
10,
just enjoy
20
it. Just enjoy
hours.
it.
I can lay down for 20 hours
Just
a
enjoy
day.
it.
Yeah.
And
That's
just
what
think
my mantra is going to be after I wrap this show.
know.
Now I'm going to move on to the fun part of the show.
Yes.
It is a very nice and sweet segment which is called the Can Baby segment.
Okay.
It is a little, थोड़ा सा rapid fire है,
Okay,
लेकिन
okay.
ज़्यादा rapid भी नहीं है. Would you rather stay in or go out on a Friday night?
Go out.
Go out?
Yeah.
With girls?
Yes, of course. I don't have a
with
lot of
Umar.
girls in my life. But
You don't? Why?
But because
Again, support groups.
it's my
नहीं होते ना.
personality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I also resonate more with the guys of my
But I have lesser
family.
friends in life, which is I'm also fine with.
Acha, but I also want friends. I'm very confused too. What are 3 things you'd buy with $1 billion?
A luxury
$1
vacation.
billion. Get me on it.
A
also.
luxury vacation, maybe a world tour. I think a world tour.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I would
World
go on a
tour would
world
be-
tour. I'll still save a lot of money. I'll buy some properties and stuff and then go on a world tour.
And the third thing?
And the third thing is try good food.
Okay, great.
Yeah, different food. Like,
बहुत मासूम ख्वाहिशात हैं.
हाँ तो और क्या होगी?
The other day I asked my friend what would she want to be if she had a chance. उसने कहा मैं बिल गेट्स बन जाऊंगी और मैं उसके सारे पैसे अपने अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर लूंगी. उसने कहा तुम क्या बनोगी? मैंने कहा मैं एक बहुत फेमस डायरेक्टर बनूंगी और मैं अपने आप को उसने कहा क्यों? वो डायरेक्टर अगले दिन तुम्हें फायर कर देगा. तुम वो डायरेक्टर का प्रोड्यूसर बनो जो उस डायरेक्टर को हायर करे. मैंने कहा ओह.
That's a good thought.
Yeah. अच्छा, if you could relive one moment in your life, which would it be?
Relive one moment. I don't think I want to relive any moment of life. I just want to go. I think हम relive नहीं करना चाहते होंगे. हम life में सब regret करते होंगे.
Really? Why?
Yeah, I think you don't want to relive a moment. I don't think I want to.
No moment?
No.
When Ihan was born? No, right? There was so much
No,
pain and blood.
Oh my God.
No, not that moment. When you met Umar, maybe?
I think we're reliving anyways, you know.
Yeah, well, especially when you go to Mauritius.
Yes.
What's a snack or candy from your child that you miss the most?
I miss the most. क्या वो
From your childhood, sorry.
मैं इतना junk खाती थी तो मैं क्या ही मिस करूँगा? I used to eat a lot of junk.
You remember that chocolate वो आती थी इसमें बिस्किट होता था अंदर?
नहीं, not that. I used to वो एक चोको स्टिक होती थी जो जिसको ऐसे काट के ना ऐसे करते थे तो वो चॉकलेट आप मुंह में आती थी. That I don't know if you guys have had that.
No,
or
I
not.
haven't.
वो छोटी सी एक स्टिक होती थी उसके अंदर सिर्फ चॉकलेट होती
मुझे
थी.
वो याद है जब आप मुंह में वो कुछ पाउडर से
sparkle
डालते थे
करते थे.
स्पार्कल. हाँ, वो बहुत मजे का था. What's your favorite thing about being a mother?
What's the favorite thing that I can multitask?
Oof, I know. Women.
Yes.
That's just women, man.
And I can do it. And I'm so confident, yeah, I can multitask. Can you do it? No. मतलब दूसरे से आप बोलेंगे आप कर सकते हो? नहीं.
हाँ, no.
हम कर सकते हैं.
If you had to eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
One meal. I'll have aloo chicken.
Aloo chicken?
Yeah, salan.
With naan?
No, बस aloo chicken with चावल. It's
Achar.
very no, सब यही चीज़.
Okay.
मैं कोई
And
हफ्ते
why?
में 2 दफ़ा
Because you-
बनवाती हूँ.
हाँ.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Very good. Biryani? No. Without
No.
masala. Okay. What's the most unusual parenting advice that you've received? I know बहुत मिली होंगी.
हाँ, मिली तो बहुत ज़्यादा. Unusual क्या होंगी? वो जो सब नर्सिंग पे मिली है कि तुम गर्म पानी से नहाओगे so you'll just produce milk eventually.
गर्म पानी से नहाने
हाँ,
से milk
hot
नहीं
shower.
आएगा. Hot shower will of course relax your body.
Yeah, but I'm not sure how that miracle works for, you know, producing milk.
Okay, if you could, I've heard the one, but ये सच भी है. मखाने खाने से and दूध सूजी पीने से and
Color change होता है क्या? Something like that?
no. बच्चे की आंखों का कलर no. वो तो पता नहीं मुझे किसी ने कहा था कि पता नहीं आपको सूरा पड़े तो उससे होता है, but नहीं होता.
It's genes.
It's genes.
That's
yeah.
it.
Yeah. अच्छा, if you could switch lives with some famous iconic personality for a day, कौन होगा वो आदमी या औरत?
किसके साथ करना चाहूँगी मैं? I could be anyone.
Anyone.
I don't know. I'm such a boring person.
Do you want to go into J-Lo's life?
Maybe and do a concert for a day.
Yeah, and dance.
Yeah, dance like her.
Yeah. Oh God.
Or just skip it. Let's do Shakira.
Oh God. And then I'm at that concert.
Yes, let's do Shakira.
Okay. You're a very brilliant dancer, by the way.
Not
I wish
very
this was a
brilliant,
dance
but
show
I'm
हम
good.
करते हैं. हाँ, but we should do a dance together one day.
Yes.
Name a skill you've developed since becoming a mom that you never expected कि मैं ये तो कर सकती हूँ, but now you do it.
गुस्सा आए तो फौरन कंट्रोल कर लो. That's a task.
This is an art.
But I still do it.
Yeah, good.
और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता कि अच्छा गुस्सा आने वाला था कंट्रोल कर लिया है.
What's one thing that you want to teach Ihan as he grows up?
To love people, to actually be kind. It's very important to be kind to others, to have that kind of love for everyone.
Would you like to teach him that it's okay if boys cry?
Yeah, it's totally fine, boys
To
cry.
show your emotions.
Yes, he still does. He looks in the mirror and he cries and he looks himself. और हम हंस रहे थे कि
so
what is it
dramatic.
like? हाँ, वो अपने आप को देख रो रहा है ना, बहुत जोर से रो रहा है वो, जाके पहले अपने आप को शीशे में देखेगा
कि मैं रो रहा हूँ. Oh
and now
God.
am I crying?
These kids are such medicines, यार. ये सही कर देती है इंसान के दिमाग को. What's a mom hack that you can't live without?
What's a mom hack that I can't live without? एहान को टीवी पे लगा के कमरे में sneak in करना.
I know, right? Guilty pleasures of a mother. Okay, I think, well, you've won yourself a beautiful hamper, and I was going to give it to you anyway because you're so stunning. But here is your Can Babies beautiful hamper. Thank you so much, Sira, for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me.
इसमें छोटी-छोटी goodies हैं. Eat them when you go home. Share it with Ehan.
Relax, have it with coffee.
Yes, please. And have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having
me. I must tell you that you are an inspiration for a lot of women who are young and as feisty and as beautiful as you, but they struggle with being a mother.
Yeah, so
you'll make it look very easy though.
It's not easy. Like everyone goes through a lot of emotions all the time. So I want to say to all these moms कि तुम जो कर रही हो, जैसा कर रही हो, बिल्कुल ठीक कर रही हो. Don't care about others, because as long as you're happy, your child is happy, and you're not happy, your child is not happy. So whatever you're doing is perfect.
Even if you're not doing much.
Yeah, it's perfect. Because sometimes you don't want to do much.
Guys, I think this is such a brilliant thing to end the show with. Sometimes you don't want to do much, but it is enough. So, thank you so much, Sira.
Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and share to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that aapko dobara pata chale that when are we throwing a new episode. And keep watching. Take care. Bye-bye. बाकी के एपिसोड्स के लिए क्लिक हियर. बाय.